Today, we're going to show you how to design and create your own 3D accessories with the Gel Appeal 3D Design Station. Gel Appeal is so easy. You can become a designer in no time. Now let's start designing in 3D. Look, it comes with all of this inside. 1 design station, 1 gel tube stand, 4 gel tubes in sparkle crystal clear, neon yellow, neon orange, and neon pink. 6 designer tips, 36 design templates, 3D templates, jewelry hardware, cleaning tools, storage area. You can make things like cell phone cases, keychains, pencil toppers, earrings, bracelets, and necklaces. So now, let's make something in Gel 3D. I'm going to start by making a cell phone case for my iPhone 6. Technology should be fashionable, right? First, pick your design template. Love this design. Now cut it out and slot it into the 3D template, dock the template into the station, and start tracing. Don't forget the sides. It's all about 3D. Then let it dry, peel slowly off, and you've made the coolest cell phone case ever. You can also make these adorable little emoji charms and attach them to any accessory, pizza, and a smiley face. Cute combo. Now let's make some pencil toppers and keychains. First, dock the sphere into your design station. Check out the design templates for inspiration. You can copy these designs or create your own. Then start gelling. These designer tips let you create all kinds of cool special effects on your accessories, like bead, spike, ribbon, star, and rainbow. Spiky totally rocks. Then, after it's dry, remove from the station and either pop it onto your pencil for a fun pencil topper or attach the keychain ring and you've got purse charms. So swingy. Ready to design some jewelry in 3D? You're going to need the cone. Then just pick your design template, cut it out, slide it into the cone, and trace. You can wear your bracelet like this, or add a cool fringe to it. Now you're ready to wear and share with friends. Jewelry selfie! Now let's do earrings. Pick your design, slide it into the cone, and trace. Let it dry, and peel. Use the earring hooks and you've made rockin' 3D earrings. With the Gel Appeal 3D Design Station, now you're the designer. Go to gelappeal.com for more tips, tricks, and design ideas.
Make it real with Gel Appeal 3D.